Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your 1099 INT and 1098 docs with Credit Karma Tax, beginner guide step by step. To back up your 1099 INT and 1098 documents using Credit Karma Tax, start by visiting the Credit Karma Tax website. Log into your existing Credit Karma account, or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, navigate to the tax section on your dashboard. Look for the tax forms option, usually found in a menu or listed directly. Click on tax forms to access the area where you can upload your documents. Select the option to upload documents. Locate the files for your 1099 INT and 1098 documents on your computer. Click on the 1099 INT file and then select Open to upload it to Credit Karma Tax. Repeat the process for your 1098 document. Once both files are uploaded, ensure they are correctly displayed in your account. If you notice any errors or missing information, double-check your documents for accuracy. You can review your documents at any time by returning to the tax forms section. If needed, you can delete or replace documents by selecting the appropriate options. After verifying everything is in order, proceed to back up your data securely. Credit Karma Tax automatically saves your information, but it's wise to keep local copies as well. Download copies of your uploaded documents for your records. Store these files in a secure location on your computer or an external hard drive. Regularly check your Credit Karma Tax account to ensure your backups remain updated. That's it. Your 1099 INT and 1098 documents are now backed up securely with Credit Karma Tax. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.